Like you'd be top tier. You'd be in this upper echelon of trading.
What's going on, everyone? Nux Trades back here with another weekly review. Today, I'm going to be going over the week of October 22nd and working through the model that occurred and then giving you the weekly results. First off, I want to start off this video by saying that this is in no way financial advice or anything like that. I'm just showing you how I trade and the model that I do trade, and you can implement this if you want to, not saying you should or anything. This is how I trade and how I found success. Be sure to follow me on everything at Nux Trades right here. That's on Twitter, YouTube, Discord server link in my YouTube bio and my Discord server or and my Twitter bio as well. We go through all the models live as they're happening. I give my advice whether I'm taking them or not taking them, and the community is really growing. We got close to 100 people in there now. Some pretty active people who are finding a lot of success using the model and can help you get started and learn the best way to go about doing this. So it's really helpful, good tool. A lot of people like it, and I don't foresee that going any way anytime soon. So make sure you give a check out to the community. Next thing is I want to link the video right now that goes over the model that I'm going to be reviewing today, so you guys are lost when I start going through this and you understand what's going on. So I would recommend going to check that out. The next thing I'm going to link is the video of the best entries for this model is the A plus setups versus the less risk entry model or less risk entry setups. I'll link that video right here as well, so you can check that one out as well. But nonetheless, we can get right into it here. So I'm going to start on Wednesday because I didn't trade, didn't have a setup on Monday and Tuesday, which is okay. Kept me out of the market, so no losses, no wins on Monday and Tuesday. But I do have a video that reviews Tuesday's session. If you're interested in that, I'll pin it right here as well. So on Wednesday, we marked out the midnight open right here. 8 o'clock news embargo open right there. High and low right here. As you can see, we get our high rate. We get a setup in at 8:35 a.m. the fair value gap forms, but I don't take setups pre-markets. That's against my rules. So I wait for this low rate, which occurs here, and then we get this setup with this fair value gap right here. So we get the fair value gap, close above this swing high right here, which makes it an A plus entry. And as you can see, a very quick 5-handle win right there. So there's that win. Next thing we go to is the afternoon on Wednesday. We get our 1300 low placed in. And again, that is the low of the AM session is on the 1300 candle. So it doesn't account for the next session. That is the low of the previous session, which means I'm waiting for this low to get rated again, which it does right here. And then at 1355, we get another fair value gap, and this time less risk entry, and we go for 5 handles. Quick again. So beautiful, beautiful 2 for 2 on Wednesday. Next thing we're going to go to is go over to Thursday. So Thursday, as you can see, we have our high rate here. So now we're waiting for a short setup and lots of choppy price action in the morning of Thursday. And we end up getting this fair value gap right here. And we wick into it, get my entry, and then we go all the way down and give me the 5 handles. So starting off the week very, very well, considering it was a late start to the week. We start off 3 for 3, which is really good, building some momentum going into the end of the week here. And um, let's see. So the afternoon we put in the low on the 1300 candle again, and we rate it with this candle, and we get this fair value gap right here. Unfortunately, we never get our entry, and no entry Thursday afternoon. Moving in to Friday, we have our high here. High never gets rated up there, but we do have our low here. Low gets rated, and we get this setup right here. And as you can see, we get a fill. well, technically we get a fair value gap at 1050 and then the fill at 1130 and runs right back up to our take profit right there. Quick five handles again, um, making us 4 for 4 in the AM session. And then afternoon, we get another entry here. This one forms on the 1430 fair value gap, and we do get an entry here, and this one does fail, unfortunately. A quick loss, didn't really take much time to lose that one, so we lost that one fairly quickly, which is nice to be in a trade, not out of a trade. So overall, throughout the week, let me just go through everything. Wednesday in the AM session, we were Wednesday AM session 1 for 1, PM session 1 for 1, and then Thursday AM we were 1 for 1. Nothing in the afternoon on Thursday, so Thursday PM nothing, and then Friday AM we were 1 for 1, and Friday PM 0 for 1. So that leaves us with a total of 4 for 5 on the week, 80% win rate, and this is New York sessions through New York and New York AM. We were 4 for 4. New York PM, we were 0 for 1. And London, actually, I don't trade London, but a lot of people in the Discord has been having a ton of success with London. We were actually 2 for 2 this week during London, which gives us a total of, well, first of all, let's back up. In the New York session, we got a total of 15 handles of, uh, of profit this week. And in the London, we got a total of 10 handles of profit this week, leaving us with a total of 25 handles and 6 for 7 with 86 percent win rate. So here are our results. October 22nd results. October 22nd results. Right there. So New York, total 4 for 5, 80% win rate. New York AM 4 for 4 this week. New York PM only one entry, low entries this week for us. 0 for 1. 15 handles of profit for me personally, because I only trade the New York AM right now. Thinking about trading that because I've been seeing a lot of people have a lot of success with it in our Discord, so they're really tempting me to log on late at night for me and stay up through it. So we'll see what happens with that. Um, 2 for 2 in London, 10 handles, 25 total handles if you were to trade every session of this, New York and London. So huge week, 6 for 7 with only one loss, an 86% win rate. So overall, a great week. Um, for me personally, I was able to take just about every one of these trades um, in um, in New York, like I said. So really good to stack up the funded accounts, good for the evals and everything else. So net positive, obviously, for this week, and looking for another great week this week. I'll be putting out more of these videos and keeping them going for you guys. I really appreciate the support. I did just hit 100 subscribers on YouTube, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool. I don't do it for the subscribers or anything like that. I do it almost as a personal journal, but it's nice to see that this is helping you guys. So I appreciate that, and if you appreciate the work that I put into this and you're enjoying it, be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and give me a follow on Twitter at Nux Trades, and feel free to join the Discord if you got any questions or anything. I'm sure I'll be commenting back to you and helping you, and everyone else in there is super helpful as well. But nonetheless, everyone, I hope you have a great week of trading. I hope the model continues to perform this week as well as it did last week. If it does, we're looking for a good October. Be on the lookout for that October review coming up. I'm gonna try to get it done as soon as the month's over and get that out there for you guys. It's been a huge month, great month for us, and we'll keep that going. And until I talk to you guys next time, good trade. I'll see you later. Peace.